Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors, and today I have this ultra low mileage 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with only 16,000 original miles, and it's in fantastic condition. This van features the Braun-Ability Entervan XT conversion. Designed for taller wheelchair users, it's got a 14-inch lowered floor as compared to the usual 10 inches, giving you extra headroom and easier access, something usually only available in full-size vans. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents, and comes equipped with 4 Q-Straint tie downs. In the video, I'll take you through a full walk around, a full interior tour with ramp operation, and then take it out for a test drive so you can see how well everything works and how this van performs out on the road. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this Braun Entervan. It's super simple and user friendly. You could deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press the passenger side sliding door button twice. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly deploy to the ground. To stow the ramp, just press the same button twice again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise, and the door will close, all automatically. In addition to the key fob, the ramp can also be operated using the factory overhead sliding door button, as well as the buttons from Braun located on the dash and next to the ramp in the back. This conversion is designed for ease, accessibility, and independence. Let's do a walk around of the Grand Caravan so you can see their overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Got Michelin tires all the way around, in really nice shape. A little touch up here on this mirror. Couple little light scratches right here. Super small, but I like to point everything out for you guys. It's a light little scrape right there. Do have some scratches here on the tailgate. Same here. Very light, but they are there. Couple things here in the quarter. very light, very hard to see, but like I said, I'm gonna point everything out to you guys. There's a very light ding right here. Very small. You have a little oxidation in the hood. These are very, very common on these caravans in town and countries. So, see here, it's got a little bit. Headlights look really nice, super clear. Little touch up right here on the bumper.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
Do have both removable driver and passenger seats. Rear controlled air conditioning as well. You can also control the ramp here with this button. power windows and locks all the way around. You have your glove box here. The original window sticker is also in here. It's really nice. Owner's manuals. Let's go towards the back. You have your jack and tools in this section right here. These rear seats do fold down, as well as the headrests. The headrests are down right now, but they do come up like this. If you wanted to fold them down, pull that tab right there. Seats do fold down as well. You can see that in the pictures. It's really hard for me to do it with one hand since I'm filming, but it does work. Over here, we do have a little storage compartment as well, with 4 Q-Straint M series tie downs. So you got that there. This is a power liftgate, so you also have a button here to close the liftgate. You have a power driver's seat. You can see it moves forward. You see it move back. Seat of recline. And it does go up and down and forward. It's an 8-way driver's seat. So everything works. Let's hop in. See, it's running 16,000 miles. The airbag light is on due to the handicap modification. It's very common in these handicap vans, so nothing's wrong. It's just when they lower the floor, obviously they're taking the seats out and doing all that stuff. The floor is lowered, as you can see. So the airbag light is on. All right, check out the radio. Here are all the fan speeds. Air conditioning's ice cold. Same thing for the rear. Hear the rear AC going. This button here also controls the ramp as well as the sliding door, so you can press that as well. You have a cup holder here, a couple power outlets, and if you wanted to turn off the vehicle kneeling feature, that's where that button is right there. Let's check out the power windows. You got automatic windows on the driver's side, up and down. Same thing on the passenger side. Rear windows. And the rear vents as well. Power locks, see them working. Power heated mirrors, you can see them go up and down and left and right. Put them back so you see where I'm driving. And let's do the passenger side. up, left, down, to the right. So that works. Up here, you do have your other factory controls. These will open up the sliding doors as well as the hatch. And if you wanted to disable the powered sliding doors for any reason, you could flick that button right there. So that's right there. You have a little rear view, some reading lights, has cruise control, as you can see. Also has steering wheel audio controls. So you can see those work.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road. Wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.